I'd like to show you where I'm going to grow my vegetable garden this year. It's going to be right here, right on that stretch of sidewalk between my driveway and my front door right in front of me. That's because I am a straw bale gardener, and I can fit about 8 bales of straw on that stretch of sidewalk with plenty of room left over to walk from my house to my driveway, and I can grow an incredible number of vegetables in that amount of space. Straw bale gardening is super efficient in the way it uses water, and it's this crazy way that we use Mother Nature's magic process of decomposition and supercharge it using a product called BaleBuster to start the straw turning into soil. And when that happens, we can put seeds and seedlings on those bales of straw, and they will grow fantastically because they're getting all the nutrients they need and they're getting the right moisture profile that they need too. We can also plant earlier in the season than my neighbors who grow in the dirt. You can learn more about straw bale gardening at strawbalegardenclub.com.